Blanket marks or other finish defects are one of the easier repairs because you don't have to deal with color. No matter what surface top coat defect you are dealing with, your repair procedure will be the same. You'll sand the defect until it's removed. Then you'll add a sealer and a top coat to replace the finish. If the defect is too deep, sand the defect and apply a sealer to fill the defect and allow it to dry. Sand the defect again and apply another coat of sealer. Do this until the defect is filled. Once filled, apply a regular coat of top coat to adjust the sheen. Use the least aggressive abrasive to remove the defect. It can be anything from a gray pad to 1200p wet dry sandpaper to 320 silver trimite paper. I'll be using 320 sandpaper for this blanket mark. Always sand with the grain. Not only should you remove the defect, you should feather your sanding over a larger area. This will make it appear natural. Clean all the sanding dust off the piece with quick clean. As you can see, the blanket mark has been removed. Apply a light coat of sealer to the area. Allow this to dry and then apply a regular coat of top coat to the area to complete the repair.